Almost about 10% or about 4.7 million people in Spain reportedly have contracted the coronavirus. This figure is far higher than Spain's official tally of just about 1.76 million cases. Results are based on the latest stage of a nationwide antibody study. The prevalence in Madrid was the highest of all Spanish regions. 18.6% of the population in the Madrid region has tested positive for COVID-19 antibodies. The more than 51,400 people were tested and surveyed across Spain in the second half of November for the prevalence study. The previous results of the study that were published in July showed a prevalence rate of just about 5%. Rachel Yotti, the director of Spain's Carlos Health Institute, which co-led the study, has said, and I quote, 1 in 10 people living in Spain would have been infected, half during the first wave and the other half during the second wave of the epidemic. Now, Spain has been one of Europe's hardest hit nations by the pandemic, both in terms of the contagion and also in terms of the economic impact. Nearly about 48,000 people have died from the coronavirus infection, with the toll climbing by nearly about 388 in just the last 24 hours. The Spanish Health Ministry has also reported over 10,328 new cases of coronavirus infections in the same period, taking the total since the onset of the pandemic to about 1.76 million cases. The Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez has expressed concerns over the recent surge in the number of cases. Even as several regions across Spain are now easing restrictions, the Prime Minister has suggested that stricter measures to curb the spread could be needed for the Christmas holiday season.